In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select about phone and reach software information. Now 7 times click on build number, and as you can see now we are in developer mode. Let me go back, and here right under about phone you will find developer options. Just click on it and scroll down. Here you've got demo mode, mark it, and obviously to enable it just click on enable demo mode, and now it is active. If you would like to show it, tap on the switcher below, and now it is also shown. You can see the difference in the status bar. And that's it. Then whenever you'd like to turn demo mode off, just click here and that will be all. So this is it. This is how you can activate and deactivate demo mode. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.